Hello everybody, today I'll be doing a Unity tutorial on making a horror game. So guys, I'm very excited about this. I'm going to do, hopefully it'll be like a long series, man. So this first video I'll be doing on to the introduction, and I'll be saying what I'm going to do later on my other videos. So this is just like a starting up point. If I get some amount of views and some comments, then I'll be uploading more videos. You can also comment and tell me what sections you want me to cover. But yeah, so Unity is a game engine which you can make games with. So as you can see here, I have already got Unity on my my computer right now, and I've already created a scene. But of course, when you just download it, the scene will be empty. So we go to I'll be making new scene. So when you create a new scene, it will just be like empty. You won't see anything, like anything. So first thing you put in it, you put in a cube. Okay, that's your cube. So the game we'll be making is a horror game, because there's many horror games out there too, but lots of indie developers. So we're gonna make one. And well, Unity is not really a modeling, so we'll be using I will be using Blender to create some of the models. I may or may not cover any Blender tutorials, however. So I'll just import them directly into Unity. So depending on the comments, but this is what I'm going to cover on my other videos. So in my next video, I will be further out putting objects into the scene. This is the scene. And afterwards, I might do the lighting. I might add in lights, so like different colors of the light, the intensity of the light, placing them around. So I'll be creating a map, because if we're gonna create a scene, we have to know what's it gonna look like before we actually create it inside the game itself. So on the next one, I might do like the story, because this game will be having a story as it's a horror game. Then afterwards, I might further develop the game. I will also incorporate the audience ideas. So if you guys have any ideas, like you want me to do the doors, the sound, just tell me and put it down in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to do it. So afterwards, in like my 7th or 6th video, I might do like the textures. I might take some pictures, photo edit them, and I put it into Unity. But for this video, I'm just saying the basic overview on what I'm going to do. So if you haven't already, just download Unity. Just search up Unity and you can click download. It's for Windows, Mac, and I think it's for Linux too. Yes, I'm pretty sure it is. There is the free version and the pro version. The free version, you can develop the game and even sell it, just as long as you don't earn from the game more than $100,000 per year, which is a large amount of money. So if you're going to be an indie developer and creating small games, it won't be too much of a problem with you. And the free version does have a lots of content and features in it, but the pro versions do have slightly more, and the interface or the color it's like a darker color, so it's like different. So okay, so first, this will be a first person game. Unity has default assets already in the game which you can use. You can also make your own assets, of course, and put them into the game. So for now, we're gonna make the ground, because if without the ground we will put the character on, the character's gonna fall right through and down to the bottom and keep on dropping. So this will be the ground. So this is the scene. We look around. This is the scene and what we put items inside it. This is the game view. So this is what will look like when we actually press play on the game. So we don't need the main camera. We can delete it. So just to make the ground first before we actually put the player on. Well, we had to first expand it out. As you can see on the right hand side over here, this is the scale and its position. So we can change this position to 0, 0 and 0. Okay, we double click on this to zoom on its location. We can make it bigger either in two ways. We can change it from here, like scale 5 by 5 by 5. This would be a cube. Make it bigger, but we don't need it to be very how does I say it, thick, as it will be the ground. So we just added this to 0.5. This is the ground. So Unity also let us put in the characters. It already creates the character as a default texture. We go to standard asset, which is an asset that Unity has created for us, which we can use. So we click onto character control. So this is like the first person controller prefab. This is like it's script that's already been attached to it and Unity has already made. For example, the movement, the max forward speed, the move backward speed, the gravity, so it can make us jump further. But we're just going to stay with the default for now, and I'll show you how to change it later. So we put this in, but as you can see, the body is already like halfway through the ground that we have created. If we press play, then it will go right in through. But the first time you press play, it will take a bit longer, as it has to render in. As you can see, the player fallen right through the ground. For this, we have to move it upwards, just above the ground. If you move it too up like that, you will notice that it will fall down a bit. So we just have to move it. Okay, let's see that. Just move it up a bit more. Okay. So when you put in the first person controller, it does have some things attached to it, which you can open up here. This is the graphics and the main camera. So this will be our main camera, which you can look around when we move. That's why I deleted the default main camera when we just open up this scene. So on my next video, I will show you how to place different more objects. This will be like the basic objects such as like a cube, a sphere. I might even do a table. But Unity is not a modeling thing. So if you want to add in like more complicated prefabs, you have to model it yourself, like create a person, and yeah. So in the next one, I will further place it out, add in more stuff, add in the ground, maybe the walls, the roof. So for now, I'll be ending this video, and thanks for watching. A like and shares are deeply appreciated. If you want to if you want me to show you something, just please comment in the comment section. So everybody, thanks for watching.